everyone, it's Nonna Grace and I'm from Western New York. Today's video is a very long video. You're going to see us deliver the two motorcycles to the people that bought them, and it's to music, so I hope you enjoy the music that I put with it. Also, Jim picked up Paige today and she was dressed like a biker girl. Did she show you her clothes?
Not really.
No?
Her
mom said she was dressed like a biker girl.
Yeah, she was very, very warm, so we just put her jacket in the trunk and her backpack.
Yeah. Well, she enjoyed that. She was really excited about you picking her up from school.
Yeah. She needs to learn how to do her D-rings by herself.
What
on the
D-rings?
helmet. On the helmet for the strap.
She didn't know how to do that.
She can't do it because
I close
she can't see
my eyes.
it.
You close your eyes and you can feel it.
Yeah.
That's how I do it. I close my eyes and then I can tell what I'm doing.
I asked her, how do you do it when you go on the four-wheeler? My mom does it for me.
Oh, well. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. I haven't even finished editing it, so I don't even know what's all in it other than the motorcycle. And there might be some of the shopping for the chicken scratch or chicken feed. We didn't buy scratch. We bought feed. So I hope you enjoy this video.
Hope you got something to sip on as you watch, or...
I don't know if you caught what Jim said. What did you say?
I said, well, I hope you have something to sip on as you sit and watch, or in a comfortable place to sit.
Yes, because it's extremely long. Well, we're going to be taking the motorcycles to the new owners, and so he's got them loaded on the trailer. And there's the two bikes. The white one is the one I would ride. The black one was one I learned on. That's the end of the bikes. And there's the fellow that's gonna be transporting them. I'm taking a picture of my bikes before they go.
I see that.
This way I see what they look like before I lose them completely.
Yep.
They're beautiful. This is the one that I rode. This is the one I learned on. That thing that you bought for Michael's motorcycles come in handy.
Yep.
Yep. This one is the one that used to just sit in the barn. But that's the one I learned on. And that's my bike again. They're beautiful. Gonna hear the truck in this video. That's all right. Are we ready to go?
Yep.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. You get to see a new area. We're not taking the usual route. We're going a different way. I've got you out the side window because, well, I'll show you why. You'll see reflections in the window, maybe of the dash. I'm not sure. Maybe you don't. I don't know, but the truck front is pretty long. The sky is a pretty blue. It actually looks pretty nifty out today. It's nice. It's a very warm day. I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's like in the 80s, 81. I think it says there. Yeah. But yep, it's a nice day for a ride. This place here, they have fly ash, and I remember. Well, they used to. I don't know if they still do or not.
Well, it's all buried now,
but when my mother was painting our house, this was probably a good, maybe 60 years ago or so. Somebody told her, you shouldn't paint the house because they're going to take it anyways. Well, the house, we ended up selling it. So they lived there a very long time. They lived there 60 years and then, or maybe it was maybe longer than 60 years because they lived there 60 years. And she's been gone since 2010, so a good 12 years. Yep. And actually she was gone before that, 4 years before that. There's our old drive-in theater. They changed it.
Bringing it back.
Yeah. And they should have done that when the Blue Booger was around. Yeah. They would have gotten a lot of people, I think, visiting it because there was, you were distanced and you could be in your own car and you didn't have to worry about being by anybody. Look at all this overgrowth. Oh my goodness. They've got some raised beds at that house. Driving to work, the snow was so high here, they used to have a machine that would blow the snow up to get you through the road, and I ran out of power one day right underneath the streetlight at A. Salmon Sun, and thank goodness it was under the streetlight, and I had to get out, drop a screwdriver down in and go back in and keep the car running while my dad gave me a spark plug to drop into the butterfly, and then the other time, or the choke or whatever, I had to remove the cover to the choke. Down here is where I used to go to work, and that's how we ended up in our town, because it was halfway between my job and Jim's job. There's the Red Barn. It used to be the Red Barn, now it's a pizza place. She's back there, he said. So I guess we're gonna go deliver our bikes. Hi, Kathy. Well, which bike is gonna be yours, the white or the black?
Red or black.
Black? Hey there, Alec.
Hi, this is my girlfriend Michaela.
Hi, Michaela. You're going to be on a YouTube channel, honey.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Gotta be famous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so there's
Time to get chicken food. Chicken feed. No music. So we can kind of let you see the clothes. I won't catch you picking them up. Well, the pellets in this store are $17.99. They've gone up $1. But look at his fuel hose for the diesel. That's $54.99. Wow, that's expensive. Well, I hope you all had a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.